What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Bad Energy by WRLD. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell or I'll curb stomp your grandma. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to learn how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So this song is in standard tuning, and it's got one riff that just repeats throughout the entire song. It is entirely palm muted, so you will need to put this part of your hand here on your fleshy part on the bridge of your guitar to give it that kind of punchy muted sound. If you need the guitar tab for this song, check the video description. The guitar tab will be there for you. You're gonna start off with your index finger on the 7th fret of the A string and your ring finger on the 9th fret of the D string, and you're gonna be picking so A, D, A, A, D, A, A, D, A, D, A, and that's 9, 7, 5. And I'm taking my hand off, so I'm not picking 9, 7, or 5 either. And I'm having my index finger on the 7th fret of the A string at first, but when I come down to the 5th fret on the D, I'm using my ring finger to go back to that note. Very similar here, you're going to the 5th fret on the A and the 7th fret on the G. And that's 7, 5, 4. Same thing, I'm not palm muting. And then you're gonna actually bar the 3rd fret now with your index finger starting on the A string. And you're gonna make this version of like a C major 7. You're gonna put your ring finger on the 5th fret of the D and your middle finger on the 4th fret of the G. And now you're gonna play through this entire riff twice, so it's I'm not palm muting either of those notes, just the A string. So 1 palm mute, D string, 2, G string, 1, D string, 1. Now you play that twice. The second time you play the riff when you get here, you play this once. And then instead of G and D again, it's B and G. So that looks like so altogether slowly, this entire riff looks like. And that just repeats. there you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.